Cows are domestic animals. Humans domesticated cows about 8,000 years ago. The average age of a cow's life is 20 years, but there was a cow in the world that lived 48 years. The heaviest cow in the world weighed 2,270 kilograms. According to the Guinness Book of Records, her height at the withers was 1 meter 88 centimeters. Cows remember their name and respond to it. When a cow wants to show you that she likes you, she will start licking you. Cows are able to remember people's faces. A cow's eyes are capable of giving a cow a 330 degrees view of its axis. Cows are more harmful to the environment than cars. Their manure and simply intestinal gases contribute about 18% to the greenhouse effect of our planet. The most expensive meat in the world is marbled beef from Japanese Wagyu cows. For centuries, these cows were bred only in Japan, near the city of Kobe, treated very respectfully, fed only the best herbs, rubbed daily with sake and drunk with beer. Cows sense the Earth's magnetic field and position their bodies during feeding and resting along its power lines. The cow eats an average of 50 to 100 kilograms of grass and spends 8 to 12 hours a day grazing. Cows have an unusually developed sense of time, and following a daily routine plays a major role in their lives. A cow needs about 7 hours of sleep at night. The skin of the nasolabial mirror in cows has lines similar to the patterns on the palms of human hands. Like our fingerprints, they are strictly individual for each individual. A cow can be made to climb stairs, but cannot be made to go down. Cows, like humans, can cry. Cows distinguish between sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. In Cuba, a person or group would be punished more severely for killing a cow than for killing a person. It has been proven that the proteins of cow's milk can bind toxins in the human body. That is why people who work in harmful industries get milk. Cows were the salvation for people in the hungriest times, and not without reason the image of the cow can be seen on the national symbols of Andorra, Iceland, Nepal, and several other countries. In India, the cow is a sacred animal, symbolizing fertility, abundance, and land.